Today we will study methods of water purification. Take some muddy water in a glass. If you don't have muddy water, you can take the bottle and add some soil in it. Okay, now allow this glass to stand still for 4 to 5 hours. To stand still means you have to keep for 4 to 5 hours at one proper place. So afterwards, what you will see? Afterwards, you will see the particles of soil. It will sink in the water. Sink means it will go inside. Now, with the help of this alum, what we will do? We will stir it or we'll swirl the alum in the water. Why? So that water becomes more transparent, more clean. Okay. So between this, what will happen? All the particles of soil is sinking in the water, they will form a layer or the sediment at the bottom. So this process is called as a settling. Particles of soil are heavier than water, but because they are very small, they take a long time to settle down at the bottom of the water. Okay. Now the water appears much cleaner and transparent than it was. So, the process of allowing heavy particles to settle to the bottom of still water is called settling. Without disturbing the sediment, we should make it settle down. So this process is called as a settling. Settling. What? First is settling. Now what is the another step? After settling, what we have to do it? Now we will take another glass. Okay. After taking one glass, we will take one strainer. Strainer, or you can take one cotton cloth, so that we can strain this muddy water, little transparent water, into the another glass. So what will happen? What you're seeing? The rubbish and soil particles will remain on the cloth, and see the water collected in the beaker below looks transparent. So if we strain muddy water, it helps to make it clean, and this process is called as filtration. What it is called as? Filtration. All the rubbish and soil particles, that remain on the cloth. So is this water safe for drinking? Is this a potable water? No, it's not a potable water. Okay, this is a process of method of water purification that we should do in our daily